10 genius shoe hacks for everyone. Hey there, love shoes as much as we do? Give them some love with this video. And if you enjoyed our hacks, send us some love by giving us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel to stay up to date. Are you ready for our genius shoe hacks? Fabric flip-flops. Do you have a pair of plain flip-flops? Let's make them stylish. Cut off the plastic ends at the back of the flip-flops. Get some pretty fabric and cut out 2 strips about 2 inches wide. Make sure you end up with 2 equal pieces. With a skewer, poke the material through the hole at the front, not the material at the back. Glue it so it stays put. Don't forget to cut off the ends. Do the same for the left and right holes. This is going to be so pretty once we're done. You might have to make an extra pair for your bestie. These are so beach-worthy. You can even wear them at barbecues. So comfy. Cleaning with toothpaste. Toothpaste isn't only for your teeth. Give your scuffed Converse shoes a makeover. Grab an unused toothbrush and some toothpaste. Brush the toothpaste on the white part of your shoes. Then use some water to clean them up. Wipe off the excess, and wow, your shoes are now as shiny as your smile. You're all ready to go. Fresh shoes. Do your shoes smell? Don't worry, this happens to all of us. Get some wrapping paper and cut it into 2 equal rectangles, like this. Add some baking soda, some tea tree oil, and rub it around the center of the paper. Then fold the paper in to make a little pouch. Tie it up with a ribbon. Then get those shoes and insert your gift pouches into the shoes. Leave them in for a while, then put your nose to the test. These smell a lot better. Gucci. Boho heels. Get some beaded chains from the craft store and get ready to bedazzle your heels. Measure out a loop of chain from the back to the front of the shoe. Don't forget to add some space for your ankle. Cut the chain at the right height. Make sure you get the same length for the other shoe. And get 2 slightly shorter chains in another color. Get a leather choker and cut off both ends. You'll want to add this to the back of your heels to insert the chains. Cut it up into 2 equal parts. Fasten the 2 chains with hot glue on the leather insert. Make sure you put enough hot glue so that it holds and fastens the inserts shut. Then hot glue the leather parts into your shoes. Wow, you're ready for any sophisticated event with these. Match it up with a dress and you're ready to impress. Heel fix. Are the bottoms of your fave heels all worn out and uneven? Save them with sandpaper. Smooth out the rough edges. This might take a lot of rubbing, but trust us, it's worth the effort. Wow, look at that. It looks brand new. No more tripping over your own feet, unless you're clumsy. Or there's a cute guy around. Waterproof canvas shoes. Hate getting your feet wet with canvas shoes? Take a candle and rub the wax onto the fabric part. Make sure you get every bit of the material covered, especially along the seams and at the back. Do both shoes. now take a hairdryer and spread some heat all over the wax. This will bind the wax to the material. Test it out, and wow, your shoe isn't soaking up the water at all. This is so genius. Vaseline polish. Let's shine up these shoes with some Vaseline. Get a washcloth and spread a thin layer of Vaseline all over the tops of your shoes. Look, we're not done, but our shoes are already so shiny. Make your shoes and you the center of attention everywhere you go. So pretty in the sun. Panty liner insole. Sweaty feet are so annoying. But what's the girl to do? Get a panty liner and cut it to fit inside your heels. We're so lucky. Ours are just the perfect size. Never lose a shoe again or have them smell with this hack. Plus, our heels are so much more comfortable now. Winning. Slip-resistant sandals. Oh no, don't you just hate it when that happens? It's like shoe companies are trying to sabotage our great entrance. Never fall down again by adding a band-aid to the front of your shoes. And for extra grip, add one on the back of the shoe. Look at that! A great entrance, and no one has to see the hack that saved the day. Just have tons of fun. Strongest shoe knot. Sometimes the coolest shoelaces are the ones that just don't stay tied up. Check this out. Cross the laces and start tying them up like you usually would. But now make a loop and circle around the loop with the other end. Now loop it up and over to create a mega knot. It looks different, but trust us, this works so much better. Spend more time chilling and less time tying. Remove dirt from suede. Uh-oh, did your shoes get dirty from the party last night? Clean them up with bread. No, we're not kidding. Tear off a piece and scrub at your shoe. Yes, it is getting dirtier, but then rub it all off with a washcloth. Smooth it out. Much better. You can also use a nail file. Check it out. Rub away with a washcloth and keep alternating. One more pair saved. Tape your toes to walk in heels. You're putting on your favorite heels? To find out your toes just won't fit? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Grab some medical tape or regular beige tape and wrap it around two toes. Do it on both sides, and now's the moment of truth. Grab those heels and get those toes in. Yes, this actually worked, and just in time for the party. Let's go. Deodorant. Here's another great hack for stinky shoes, but now for heels. Take your heels off and rub some deodorant on the inside. Even if it isn't clear, you can rub it in with your fingers so that it's absorbed by the fabric. Now you can walk around with confidence. Thanks for watching our genius shoe hacks. Please give us a big thumbs up for these awesome hacks and subscribe to our channel to be the first to see our newest videos. See you later!